Welcome back to Learn English Fast podcast, everyone. I'm Mike.
And I'm Jess. Hi, friends. Mike, can I tell you something? This morning, I almost missed the bus.
Oh no, what happened?
Well, I woke up late, jumped out of bed, brushed my teeth super fast, and grabbed only a piece of toast.
Ha ha ha. Classic morning rush. That's a great example of daily routines. Wake up, jump out of bed, brush my teeth, grab breakfast. Simple but real.
Exactly. And that's why today we're talking about daily routines. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. All the little habits that shape our day.
Let's begin with mornings. I usually wake up around 6:30. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. It helps me feel awake. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and make coffee. Coffee is my fuel.
For me, mornings are a little slower. I usually get up at 7 o'clock. The first thing I do is stretch my arms and legs. Just a little morning stretch. Then I check my phone. I know, not the best habit, but I like to read my messages before breakfast.
You're not alone. Millions of people check their phone first thing. But listen to the verbs. Wake up, stretch, check my phone. Easy, natural, real.
Yeah. After that, I make oatmeal or sometimes eggs. I drink tea instead of coffee. Then I get dressed and prepare to leave the house.
Here's a good tip for learners. Don't try to make huge, complex sentences. Short actions are enough. I get up, I make tea, I get dressed, clear and simple.
And to sound more natural, add time words. In the morning, after breakfast, before work. For example, in the morning, I usually drink tea. After breakfast, I get dressed.
Now let's move to the afternoon. For me, afternoons are usually busy. I spend a lot of time at my computer, checking emails, writing reports, sometimes joining long meetings. Honestly, meetings can feel endless.
I get that. My afternoons are a mix of teaching and preparing lessons. Around 1 p.m., I usually have lunch, maybe a salad or a sandwich. If I'm really hungry, I grab something warm, like soup.
Ooh, sounds nice. I usually have a quick bite because after lunch I try to get some fresh air. Even just a 10-minute walk helps me clear my head before going back to work.
I like that. I sometimes do the same. Just step outside with a cup of coffee. It's a small break, but it makes the rest of the day easier.
And listeners, think about your own afternoons. Maybe you're studying. I study math. I read a book. I take a break. Or maybe you're working. I write emails. I attend meetings. These are simple but real sentences you can use.
Exactly. And notice how natural it feels when you add little details. Not just I eat lunch, but I eat lunch with friends in the cafeteria, or I eat lunch quickly because I'm busy. Those details make your English sound alive.
Ooh, yes, exactly. And evenings are my favorite part of the day. I go home, change into something comfortable, and cook dinner. Cooking actually relaxes me.
Ooh, me too. I often make pasta or rice dishes. Sometimes I experiment with new recipes. Last week, I tried homemade soup. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I usually read a book or watch a short series.
That sounds cozy. For me, after dinner, I sometimes play guitar. Other times, I just sit with my family and talk about the day. It's simple but really nice.
I love that. And here's a tip, listeners. Connect your sentences with small words like then, after that, next. For example, I cook dinner, then I eat. After that, I clean the kitchen. It makes your story smoother.
Yes, and don't forget hobbies. Evenings are perfect for them. You can say, I play video games, I listen to music, I paint or draw. Sharing hobbies is a great way to connect with people.
Totally. And sometimes evenings are just about slowing down. Maybe you light a candle, drink tea, or take a short walk outside. All of these are great sentences to practice. I drink tea in the evening. I take a walk after dinner.
See? That's the beauty of routines. They're simple, but they tell a lot about who you are and give you perfect everyday English to practice. And finally, nighttime. Around 10 o'clock, I like to slow down. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and change into my pajamas. That little routine helps my brain say, okay, it's bedtime now.
I do something similar, but I add a cup of herbal tea. Chamomile is my favorite. It makes me feel calm. And after that, I usually read a few pages of a book. Sometimes I fall asleep with the book still in my hand.
That's such a cozy picture. For me, instead of reading, I sometimes listen to soft music or a podcast. Nothing too exciting, just something that relaxes me. Then I set my alarm for the next morning and put my phone away.
Oh, that's a good tip. Putting the phone away. If I scroll on my phone at night, I stay awake much longer. So when I'm smart, I leave it on my desk, not next to my bed.
Same here. And listeners, think about your own night routine. Do you drink tea? Do you listen to music? Do you read? These small details are great to practice in English. You can say, I drink tea before bed. I read a book in the evening. I listen to music to relax.
And if sleep doesn't come easily, you can use the phrase, I can't fall asleep. For example, sometimes I can't fall asleep when I drink coffee late.
Yes, or the positive. I fall asleep quickly after a long day. Real, natural, and useful.
Exactly. Nighttime routines may look simple, but they tell a lot about daily life. And they give you perfect sentences to use every day. And you know, Mike, I really enjoyed today's chat. Daily routines might sound simple, but they actually show so much about our lives.
I agree. And for our listeners, remember, even small sentences like, I wake up, I drink coffee, I take a walk, are real English. Use them every day and you'll get more comfortable, step by step.
Exactly. Keep it light, keep it fun. Don't worry about mistakes. Just practice a little each day.
And that's it for today's episode. Thanks so much for joining us here on the Learn English Fast podcast.
We'll be back soon with another episode. Until then, take care and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.